Just keep breathing. You're
Not
fine.
too much fatigue, eh? Yep, just keep breathing.
Just keep
I
breathing.
have to breathe. I mean, I'm working here. You just hang on.
This is a workout for you.
Yes, it is. I was like, Jim, I don't know what that is. I haven't been in a gym 20 years. I don't know. A long time.
I feel like you're good.
Well, I do like some push-ups and stuff. Do some push-ups.
Squats.
Do some squats. But when you're living in a plank all day, you kind of like...
Oh, that's work all day.
Hey, this arm above your head. This shoulder's a little gnarly, okay? It's like, it's just there. There we go. Oh, it's in that corner. That's it. Relax this. Relax the lat. Relax the lat. There it
Oh.
goes. Okay, scraping.
That was like mind blowing.
You got it. Not too much petechiae though. I kind of knew that.
What?
Petechiae, the bruising that comes out that you see on people.
Oh.
There's like hardly anything. And then arm down. You're all cleaned out. It's nice. It's either just real healthy. You must drink a lot of water.